Hi, I'm Dan with MIDI Designer, and in this video, I'm going to show MIDI Designer Pro 10 in an AUV3 context, particularly with AUM and Synth One J6. Let's get into it. So I'm going to open up AUM, and we're starting from a blank session. I'm going to add a MIDI slot, and in that MIDI slot, I'm going to put MIDI Designer Pro 10. I have 3 because this is a development iPad, but you'll have 1. Hit plus here and open MIDI Designer. Just going to size this up. This is the 0 state screen or the no state screen for MIDI Designer. This may not be how we finalize the entry, but this is where we're going to start for now. This is a new wide layout, which already is populated with a bunch of controls by default. And here I'm going to just bring out 2 of these controls that I'm going to want to use. So this is knob 8. And knob 8 is 1/8 is the control change. So channel 1, controller 8. And this is 2. This is knob 9, which is 1/9. So those 2 look good. Great. And now let's move to the audio part. So I'm going to just close this window temporarily, add a slot. This is going to be an audio slot. Add an audio unit extension, and this is J6 Synth One, which is awesome. And I'm going to open this. I'm going to show the, whoops. Okay, great. I'm going to show the keyboard. And I am also going to hit this folder at the top left and open one of my presets, which is called Demo. Demo has 2 things. One is it has a patch, which is called Harmony Glide Bass DD. Okay, that's cool. And the second thing that it has is if I hit the I here and I go into MIDI mapping, it's got 2 controllers mapped. One is mapped to 8 and one is mapped to 9. And these are precisely these 2 controllers on the DCO page. So the tune and the other tune. So those are mapped. So now if I go into MIDI Designer, and I'm just going to do some sizing here, zoom in, and nothing happens yet. So I'm going to close the MIDI Designer window for a second so I can expose this hamburger menu here. I could use this one, or I could use the one on the J6, but I'm going to use this one, same thing. And here I get MIDI inputs and MIDI outputs, map it up. Going to map it to J6 Synth One. Cool, that's all fine. And now let's see what happens. Okay, so that's all working perfectly. And now what I'm going to do is save the session, clear, and then try to load the session. This is the exciting thing. You can have many sessions, of course, in AUV3 and AUM. So in AUM on the top right, I'm going to save this session, and I'm going to call this demo. Okay, overwrite it. Yes, looks good. Now I'm going to clear out. Clear, sure, clear it out. And now let's see if we can load it again. Sessions, demo, loads up. Let's see if we're still moving these knobs. We are. Our keyboard got hidden too. Let's open our keyboard. And that's it. So everything worked. We saved, we loaded, we controlled things. So in this video, we went over MIDI Designer Pro 10 in an AUV3 context, particularly in AUM. This functionality is coming out in early May, and we're really excited to see what people do with it. MIDI Designer Pro 10 is free to download and free to use. There is a premium option, but you probably won't need it in this context because you have multiple sessions. So we're excited to roll this out and hear what people think. Thanks for watching. Thanks for checking out MIDI Designer, and see you in the next video.